Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding. I'm Aditya, and in this video, we'll discuss Cognizant Communication Round Roadmap. After uploading the announcement of Cognizant, I got tremendous response from you guys. So, you are also demanding for a guidance video for the very first round of Cognizant, which is Communication Round. So, in this video, we'll see in detail exam pattern and what type of questions you can expect, what all sections is this round consist. Everything we'll see in this video, so stay till the end. Without wasting time, let's hop to the presentation. Before going to that is a small request, and you guys are genius because after requesting this, I got n number of requests from you. Either you can reach out to me on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, email, and much more. The links would be in the description. You can just head on to the description and reach out to us, where you can share us the coding questions, the interview experience of any of the company like SHR, TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, anything that you want to share with us and help your peers and juniors so that they can also prepare like you and crack the big tech companies. Now, the Cognizant Gen Z communication assessment consists of three main sections. Okay, so first thing, the blueprint of your communication round, which is the reading, comprehension, listening, and speaking. Okay, so reading and grammar plays an important role here because you can expect a lot hard type of pronunciation and crazy sentences. Okay, we'll see everything in this video. Now, reading and grammar. Objective: assess reading, comprehension and grammatical skills. Okay, it basically check your comprehension skills and your grammatical errors and how you pronounce the stuffs and how you fill grammar inside the sentences. Okay, so preparation tips: read thoroughly, take your time to read the paragraph carefully, which is the important tip, and focus on understanding the context and the main ideas. People do speak directly after reading the question, which should not be the approach. You should firstly read it, then think about the thing that you want to say. Okay, take your time and build your sentence, then only speak. You should take only few seconds to think, not take 1, 2 or 3 minutes. Have patience, think for 1 to 3 seconds and create your sentence and start speaking. Now, identify key elements, look for grammatical structure, tenses, pronunciation, pay attention to articles and speech format. So in this case, ChatGPT or Gemini Pro will help you. So if you're wondering, you don't have a premium subscription of it, I am providing you just for free. You just need to register on the below link. You will get the premium subscription of Gemini Pro as well as the credit for your cloud, which will help you to learn the DevOps stuffs and much more stuff. So you can just register in the below link. Now, let's discuss the practice example. So example passage: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now question: identify the tense used in this sentence. So answer is present tense. See how easy it is, but if you are in a hurry, if you are not prompt and not active, then you might click on something else. So be attentive whenever you are listening or reading something. Example sentence should be: she go to the market every Saturday. So the correction that you need to do, which is she goes to market every Saturday. Now you can create a prompt on any of the LLM models such as ChatGPT or Gemini Pro, where you can write, please generate some jumbled sentence, or please check my skills of finding the present tense, past tense of a sentence. Okay, so it will create some set of questions. You can start answering those, and also they will let you know where you are going wrong and what should be the right answer of the particular questions as well. So try to take use of these types of LLM models. During the assessments, stay calm, guys, because in the mock session as well, I saw people in being nervous, not able to speak when they are shivering in between. So you don't need to do that. Stay calm, take some breathe, then only start your next procedure. So don't rush due to the timer, because the timer will popping in either in the left corner, either in the right top corner. So please stay attentive, time will go. You just need to be calm and start creating your sentence and speaking it slowly. Now repeat accurately. When prompted, repeat the sentence with a correct grammar and pronunciation. So anything will prompt to you on the screen. You need to read it and clearly correct the grammar mistakes as well as try to pronounce that word in a proper way. Okay, so now 1-to-1 mock session will help you crack this wonderful Cognizant interview opportunity, because I will create all the roadmap now for the interview. Give me chance to assess your skills, and I will let you know whether you will got shortlisted or you need to work hard. Okay, so in this particular hundreds of rupees investment, see, you will get 1 hour of in detail technical and HR session thorough with all the previous year questions and all the replication of actual Cognizant interview. Now resume review of 10 to 15 minutes according to your how your resume is and what all things that you need to improve. Personalized feedback on your mock session, how you need to speak, what is your representation skills, whether the front person can understand whatever you are speaking, whether you are right or wrong, what is your weak strengths, what is your weak and strengths. We'll discuss everything here. Suggestions for the future improvements such as roadmaps and much more things like doubt solving, guidance and stuff. Now expert guidance as well. So you just need to head on to primecoding.in. You can see the Cognizant card in the bottom. You just need to head on to that and book your session, and we'll meet you and I will help you to crack the Cognizant offer, and you can make your parents proud. Shyandip, Shubham, Adesh, Varun are the set of people who recently cracked Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant in their career. So you can be the next whose name will add in this particular slide. Now, comprehension and listening. Objective, evaluate listening skills and comprehension of spoken content. Okay, so this is the objective. So preparation tip from our side would be active listening. Practice listening to short stories or passage. So again, in the here your ChatGPT app, which will help you to create some good passage, and GPT only repeat those sentences. Okay, you can talk to verbally to these LLM models, and these model can narrate a story. Then you can check your promptness, how you can grasp all these things. So focus on the main ideas and supporting details. Summarize. Okay, after listening, try to summarize what you heard in your own words. So let's say you have wrote a prompt on the ChatGPT that please create a story, and he will create whole stuff for you. Now you can see in the left bottom corner of the text that ChatGPT generated, there is a voice button up. Okay, you just need to click it. They will start narrating the whole story. Then try to listen it, and after that summarize it in your own way and record yourself, which will, after your summarization, you can check how much prompt you are, whether the important details you covered or not, and how much you got and how much you can throw. Okay, everything you should know after recording yourself and testing yourself by you only. Practice example. Listening exercise. Listen to short story about a boy who finds a treasure. So all these examples were recently asked, my dear. So you think how this types of question can come. You can write the same prompt in the ChatGPT as well. You can get your story. So question, what did the boy find? Okay, after listening the story, or you can see a line is given, listen to a short story about a boy who finds a treasure. So what did the boy find? So here everything is very clear. You need to choose a treasure. So answer, the boy found a treasure chest filled with the gold coins. Okay, so during the assessment, concentrate and answer clearly, because most of the time please check whether your Bluetooth is up to the date or not, or whether it is charged or not, because I saw many people struggling with their Bluetooth because their Bluetooth was not charged and their speaking skills were not received by the receivers. Okay, so please have a wired jack if it is possible, because those jacks will grasp your audio very clearly as compared to Bluetooth. Now make close attention to entire passage and avoid distractions such as your smartwatch, mobiles and stuff. When answering the question, use complete sentence and a proper grammar. Please guys, I saw people getting rejected from this particular round because all these tests is AI prompted. AI will test the whole thing. So AI need everything in a clear manner, not half words, full words. They will just remove you from the drive. So be careful. Speaking. Objective. Assess verbal communication skill. Preparation tips in this section would be practice speaking. Choose various topics and practice dictating short essays or passages. Okay, this video, after watching this video, try to summarize it. Okay, I'm speaking everything. You just need to summarize whatever you grasp from this video. Then you can check whether you know what all important things that I said, or you missed something, which shows how much you are getting it. If you are lagging into it, you can see some good channels which usually provide some stories or ideology theories. You can just go through it and try to grasp the important points from that particular video, which will help you to ace this section. Use proper grammar, because grammar plays a vital role in each service-based company which has a communication round into it. Now, practice examples of this section would be topic, the importance of education. Now start talking about in 1 minute, or I would say 2 to 3 minutes. Start talking it, because there would be a timer for every question. For that particular minute, you need to speak. Response: education is crucial and it equips individual with knowledge, skills necessary for personal and professional growth. Okay, so this is a professional sentence that you can frame. This is not that thing that you need to memorize. It's totally upon you. You just need to speak very fluently without having any grammar errors. Now topic, my favorite hobby. Response: my favorite hobby is painting. It allows me to express my creativity and relax after a long day. Now, why that guy loves painting? Because he can express his creativity and make him relax. So you are giving the justification on your hobbies as well. So try to focus on these types of explanation, because if you claim something, you should have a justification about it. Otherwise, your claim is of no proofs. Okay. Now, during the assessments, think before you speak. Take a moment to organize thoughts before dictating. Avoid fillers. Try not to use filler like speak confidently and clearly. You can use a bit but not a lot. Okay, like I think, I guess, oh no, you don't need to do like that. You can use small times when you want to figure out something, but it should not repeat continuously. Now, final tips from Prime Coding and the candidate who recently cracked in 2024. We gathered everything in this video which will help you to crack your own communication round. Practice regularly. Consistent practice will help improve your reading, listening, and speaking skills, because you have a week for this Cognizant drive. So try to practice this from now onwards. Call your friends, make a group, and start talking in English. Create some story from ChatGPT and start summarizing it. Try to grasp the important points from this video or any of the theory parts of video, so that you can check your activeness. Okay, mock test. And this mock test means you can take with your friends, or you can record yourself, which can be your mock test for you. Now, stay positive, because I saw in the mock session as well, if I tell them to give a random real-time example, they will go in a negative side, but it shows your personality if you speak some negative words. Okay, try to be as positive as you can. Try to butter in your sentence. Okay, don't say anything bluntly. Please try to say in a sensitive manner. Be very polite and positive. Now, if you want to prepare for TCS NQT Essential, because both of the playlists has been ready, and the Capgemini, Cognizant, TCS NQT for 2025 batch, each sheet has been uploaded in my Telegram group. Please join it. There is a rose bot will welcome you with a drive link. You can just hand over to it. Every company has been arranged properly, and resources has been filled in that particular folder. So you can just head over to respective folders that you want to and take your sheets. So thanks for watching this video. If you're watching till now, please do subscribe it and let me know whether you know the technical assessment playlist as well. So I will create the MCQ series for Cognizant, for Capgemini, anything. So let me know in the comments what do you need, and head on to the like button. If this video has 200 likes, I will create an MCQ series for Cognizant technical assessment. So we'll meet you with a new video soon. Do share with your friends so that they can also do something in your career. Thank you.